Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Primita. I'm from Informatics Department, Faculty of Engineering, Khairun University. In this chance, I would like to present about implementation fuzzy logic in determining the price of batik. Competition in the world of business is something that is definite and occur in all kinds of business. One of the ways that business keep running is to satisfy the customers. Batik business sales in Indonesia continues to grow up. This is because one of the non-verbal culture heritage object is batik. But not all business people have good luck because they are unable to satisfy customer. Things that make customer upset. One of the types of batik is not in accordance with the price. Fuzzy Tsukamoto is one method that there is fuzzy for the determination of the decision, no exception for the price of batik. This study uses Tsukamoto fuzzy to determine the price of batik. The result of implementation of the Tsukamoto fuzzy method in determining the price of batik in accordance with the price of fabric, the manufacturing processes, batik motifs, and colors. This system can also help determine the price of batik in accordance with the quality of batik. So, we have three main topics including theoretical basics, research methods, and the results. As we know that batik is one of Indonesia's cultures that is recognized by UNESCO and has been designated as a humanitarian heritage for oral and non-material culture since to October 2009. And fuzzy is interpreted as the fuzzy or vague language. Fuzzy logic is the development of strict logic. In strict logic of the true value, there are only two possibilities, that is a member of the set or not, true or false, and 0 or 1. While in fuzzy logic, the value of truth depends on the value of the membership it has. Membership values in fuzzy have values ranging from 0 to 1. Then we go to the second point. In this point, we have 5 steps. First, determine the fuzzy set of variables that have been identified. Second, make fuzzy rules to show how a system operates. And in this system, there are 39 fuzzy rules. The third step is to do fuzzification to simplify the computation that must be done by the system in the process. Then, create the membership function as a curve that shows the mapping of data input points in a membership value that have an interval between 0 and 1. Finally, fuzzify it to convert each result expressed in the fuzzy set to a real number. This is the table of the variable used. The last point is the result. We did some testing to make sure the system was working properly. Test the program by testing one of the 39 fuzzy rules, namely R1 with the nominal price that will produce the output that the price is relatively cheap, as shown in the picture beside. And test the program by testing one of the 39 fuzzy rules, namely R18, with a nominal price that will produce the output that the price is quite expensive, as shown in the picture. So, that's all about my presentation. I can conclude that Batik sellers can determine the ideal selling price of batik by taking into account the basic criteria in determining the selling price of batik by considering between batik with low and high prices, and apply fuzzy logic to determine the selling price of batik in accordance with the quality and prices in the market. Thank you so much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.